Hi friends, welcome. This is Mel B, and today I'm going to share with you Pretty and Pink wigs. Yep, Pretty and Pink. These are 3 pink wigs that I just love, and they're so much fun. When you want to be more fashion forward, you want to go with some trendy fashion wig color, and purple and blue is just too much for you, well, this Pretty Pink, and I think for silver-haired ladies, older ladies, they work really well too, because we need, as you get older, your face loses the capillaries and the collagen, and we can start turning a bit grayish, even in our skin tone. So that's why I like to really pull some pink in, and a pink wig is a great way to do that and really bring some life and light to your skin. So this is, first I'm going to show you is from Noriko, and look at that. You can see it's platinums and rooted with pink. So a really fashion. So we're not going for realism here, we're going for fashion fun. And I just have to have that sometime in my life to just be fun. So I think I'm going to pull my own sideburns back some and get my hair back. This is basic cap. It's got more of like a bra strap type adjusters where you can tighten it. The stretch, you get with these, you get a bit more stretch, and you're gonna see that. And it's got the ear tabs, and it's machine wefted on top. So it doesn't need, because it has bangs, you don't need to have lace on the front, and I find that to be really comfortable. This has been one of my go-to travel wigs because I can wear it for 24 hours and not go crazy. Okay, so let's pop it on. Now, okay, see, this is what we go through when we first put a wig on. So don't scream at yourself and go, oh my gosh, what have I done? You've got to get your white tooth comb, right, and you want to start working with it. If you're a low density girl, you're going to want to comb it down. Start at the bottom and then start positioning what you want to see. Like, do you want an ear tuck? Do you want this down and this more up in the back? Now remember, this is wefted, and so whenever you have a wefted, machine wefted top like that in your cap, well, you've got to have some permatease in here to cover that up so that you don't see that wefting. And so there is permatease in there. And if you want volume, you've got to have it. So if you're wanting to get some volume in there, get your fingers in there, get your wide tooth comb, and jazz her up to get that fashion rocker style. I even have my blondie t-shirt on today. Got something on there right there, some water or something. Okay, just brush my teeth. All right, so just like that, you can really get in there and wake some of those fibers up, or you can smooth this down quite a bit. So this has been actually my husband's favorite wig on me. Absolutely. He even knows now if I put it on that I'm trying to please him or get his attention somehow. He'll go, okay. So, but yeah, we always like to please the husband when we can, right? Make him happy. And I love the positive response. Who doesn't want to put on a wig and get a positive response and have someone say, oh, I just love that. I just love that. So this is the one for him. Okay, so this is bubblegum pink, and it does have pink in it. Now, you have to watch the lighting that you're in, because I have windows light coming in, I have a ring light here, and if you wear a wig like this, and say you go outside, it may reflect more of the blonde in it, the platinum, as opposed to the pink. So just know that this really is pink. It really is pink. I hope you can see that. But it's got blonde. It's mostly rooted and blonde with some pink in it. So it's subtle. It's really subtle. This one is synthetic and it's not heat friendly. And what I love about this first two that I'm going to show you with the discount that you can get through the store, I'll leave the link below, it's going to run somewhere around that, you know, mid 200, mid 250, about around there. So it's a really good option to get a good wig at a great price. Okay, Zeal and Bubblegum Pink. The next one we're going to try on is Wille, and this one is in the same price range. Wille, as you may know, runs more petite average, and I am a more petite average person. And this, as you can see, again, same thing, it's machine wefted on top, but right back here, I like this. It has this little mono crown, and that's so that the hairs just will naturally fall and look natural. So I like that. And it does have stretch. It has Velcro adjusters. Let's put her on. And this is in metallic rose rooted, Wille. And the name of it is Sky. Again, see, do not freak out. Grab the ear tabs, get her in position, check and see where you want that lace to be. And then this one, the machine wefting is going this direction for the hair fibers. So it's meant to come more all forward. And then find your bangs. Now, this is something you could cut them a little bit shorter if you want that. But what's real cute about this, I just did this one yesterday too, a quick review, and did makeup. So if you're wondering how I do my makeup, be sure and check out that video, because it was Wigs and Live with Mel, and I show this wig in a quick review, and I show you step by step how I do my makeup and lipstick and things. So okay, this is really cute, right? Because this all kicks up in the back, and I think it's just really a little bit shorter than the last one I just put on, the Zeal. Cute pixie. And I'll turn around. Uh-oh, I didn't turn around in the other one, did I? I'm so sorry. I'm going to put her back on and turn around for you. But before we do that, let's jazz this up. Because everyone, you know, if I don't turn around, and forgive me if that happens, it just does sometimes. I just forget. I get excited about sharing the wig, and I just forget. So just like that. Now with this type of wefting, you can't part it either side. So everybody kind of has that side that looks best on them, right? So just like that, because there is that permatease, and it kind of hides, and those fibers come forward, it does hide that, and so you can change that up. But it is comfortable because of that. To me, that basic cap is comfortable. So you can wear this also where you really pull these forward, because isn't that cute? These might give me such a rocker chick feel. Why not feel like a rocker chick at 67? Yeah, why not? Okay, so that, I think I've showed you all sides, played around with it. Cute with a headband, tie a scarf up around it. It's going to be really cute. I'm going to put Zeal back on. Now this was Sky from Wille. Let's get this back on because I want to show you the back. A lot of you are watching these because you're trying to figure out what's the next wig that you want to buy, and so you kind of want to see it. How does it look? How does it play? How does it style? What are the fibers like? Does it look like the style I'm going for? And the best way to see that is not on a website, on a stagnant picture, but to see a video and see it being popped on and shared and shown everything. So let me show you this side, and then I'll show you the back. Okay, all right, there you go, 360. Now let's get on the last one, and this is longer. This is also Wille, and this is Luna. Isn't that pretty? Luna. Luna is a heat-friendly, and it does have a lace front. You can see it has a lace front and a lace crown, so it'll fall nicely, and stretch here, Velcro adjusters, velvet ear tabs. This one, because it is longer, heat-friendly fibers, lace front. This one runs more in the mid 300s. So, and I don't like to quote exact prices because the websites usually are always having sales at wigs.com. You can always check out the website for any sales going on, and when they're reducing them. But yes, you know, if I quote your price 2 years from now, you're looking at this video, it may not be the same price any longer. So let's put this on. There we go. Pull down the sides. Now this is one I like. I like short but pixies, but my goodness, since I can't grow my hair long anymore, who knows, maybe one day it will come back in enough, but I really like this one. Looks like it has highlighting, right? The way you have the blondes, the rooting, the pink. It's super pretty. So this is Luna, heat friendly, and Luna is in the color, I don't have the card right here. Let me look that up really quick for you. And I'm going to the website, typing in Luna from Wille, and it's right here. Guess whose picture is there with this wig on? If you don't know, I'm an ambassador for wigs.com, so I'm trying to help get the word out, normalize wig wearing, and help people not be afraid to do this any longer. So this is in pastel rose shaded. Pastel rose shaded, and see how the pastels, it's got the blondes and the silvers, the brunettes, the grays, and I think that's really pretty and really fun. I love the longer length. I love it short, I love it long, and these are heat friendly, so I've worn this a few times and I can tell that it's time for me to put a heating tool to it, and it's feeling a little tangly, and that happens with our heat friendlies. And what you do is I will just spritz it with water, and on low temp I'll get my styling tool, my straightener, and when it's damp, not soaking wet but misted and damp, then I'll just go over it with my heat curling tool or straightening tool, and then it'll get all of those fibers to smooth out and look brand new again. Okay, so this is it for 3 great, oh, let me turn around. This isn't it. This is the side view. Let me put it all back and turn around. And that's Luna, and she's gorgeous, from Wille. So my friends, I'll leave the links for all 3 of this pretty and pink wigs. I hope you get the confidence to step out there and get yourself something to bring you joy and bring you light and happiness and confidence. I hope that's what you get, because that's what I'm here to help you do. Anything that you'd like to comment below, questions or things you'd like to share with the rest of our community, drop it down below, and I'll see you, my friends, in the next video. Doing my darlings. Bye.